A very warm good afternoon to all of you. I am Kalpana. I am here with Aditi and Arubi. Today, we are here to explain our carbon purifier model. The principle of our model is adsorption. Adsorption is a process in which we purify the polluted air from through some filter papers. As we all know, air pollution is a worldwide concern and carbon emissions are major contributor. Carbon emissions from household chimneys and factories leads to air pollution and depleted our earth rapidly. Our model aims to purify the air and reduce air pollution and provide a healthier environment. Now, my friend Aditi will tell you the further information.
Before I tell you the brief working of this project, I would like to tell you about the apparatus of this project. First of all, we'll need an exhausting fan, a chamber with the filters and a pump. So, assume this is a factory or any room where the combustion daily takes place. Ignite it. As you know, the combustion produces smoke. With the help of this exhausting fan, the smoke will travel through this chimney and enter the chamber known as the carbon absorber, where the carbon will passes through the multiple layers of filter. Here we have used the cotton filters. At the place of cotton filters, we can use HEPA filters, ruthenium nanoparticle chips, and many other alternatives. At the last of the chamber where this product will enter, its ending, and only the pure oxygen will remain because the carbon impurities are all removed because of the filters. The pump will pump out all the oxygen out of this chamber with the help of these chimneys.
Now, I will tell you about the benefits of this project. We all know that factories produces many carbon-containing harmful gases. Carbon purifier clears these gases before this even reaches the air. This means healthy environment and low pollution. This carbon purifier model is a prototype which can be used in factories and power plants.
We can also use it in our surrounding. Have you ever came across the place behind the government hospital here? You might have came across a heap of garbage. You might be wondering how. Well, the waste is of two types, recyclable and non-recyclable. The non-recyclable waste, if we throw it in our surrounding, it will only harm our environment. But if we burn it, it will produce the smoke. But if we use this project and we can use it there.
This is all?
Yes.
Well briefing, Shabash. Well done.